Saturday morning from snowy Homer, Alaska. Clementine and I hope you are doing well this morning. We have another Mo Willems book to read for you, and this book is called There Is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems, with permission to read from Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Just sitting there. Uh-oh. Piggy! Is something sitting on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? Nope. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love? They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three! You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds, and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Then where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them! Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed that story today, and I'm going to post one more story for you guys today as an extra bonus.